How to add money to Robinhood account. If you are willing to add money to your account, then follow these instructions. First, make sure that you have downloaded Robinhood app on your iPhone. After that, click on the search bar and open Robinhood app. Now make sure to log into your account. After you log into your account, you will see this page, and here to add money to your Robinhood account, you can see this search bar on the top right corner. Click on it. After that, on the search bar, type in transfer. Then you will see these different options. To add money to Robinhood account, click on this deposit funds option. After you click on it, then you will have to type in the funds that you want to transfer to Robinhood account. After that, click on continue, and following this simple and easy step, you can now easily add money to Robinhood account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.